Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to solve a full Rubik's cube. So let's get started. So in how to solve a Rubik's cube, you should know some basic rotations and notations. Okay, so let's talk about notations. The notations are: this is the edge piece, this is the corner piece, this is the center piece in all the surfaces. And the rotations are: this is in right side, right hand. If you do it upwards, it's R. If you do it downwards, it's R prime. In this also, if you do it up, it's L prime. If you do it down, it's L. Okay, in up it's, if we turn it right, it's U. If we turn it from left to right, it's U prime. If we turn down from right to left, it's D prime. If we turn down from left to right, it's D. Okay. This is F and this is F prime. Okay, and this is B and this is B prime. Okay, so that's it. In first step, you have to make a cross like this. Okay, you have to make cross that's correct with the center pieces. Okay, to do this, you have to first keep the white surface on the white center piece on your top and yellow at the bottom. Okay, for doing this, you have to match all the white pieces like this. First, you have to take any color which have white and any edge white which is an edge piece. Okay, I took this and I should match this with the center. We did not match. It is now matched. Okay, let me take the next piece. Here is the blue piece. Now I have to match this with the center. It has already been matched with the center piece. Okay, now we have completely successfully done with two. Okay, I will take this. Okay, if it's like this, okay, if it's here, now then match with the center and then turn it upwards and then match with the white. Okay, now you will get the case like this, that if you do, it has been flipped. It should white should go here and red should come here. So for this, you have to just bring it down and turn to your left. The white should go to your left and bring this middle to down and then match this with the center and then upward. See, we have now done with the cross. Now we will go to the step 2. In step 2, we have to just align all the corner pieces here like this. You have to align like this. I will show you. See, align with this. Okay, to do this, you have to first identify the colors. Okay, see, now take a color which has white corner like this. Okay, you have here, it may be here, 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 anywhere. Okay, I will take this color. Okay, you have to first notice where the white surface is facing. If it's facing towards you, or it may be like this, or it may be like this. Okay, to do this, first, if it's like this, I will take this case. First, you have to notice the colors which with white. Okay, it has orange and green. You have to take where is orange and green, orange, green and white. Okay, if it's like this, you have to turn this towards your left, right to left. Okay, it's called U. If you turn like this, and you have to just bring it up and match with the edge piece and then bring it back. If you do this all, okay, it's here, it's facing this side, right? It has orange, blue and white. If it's facing right side, you have to do one move, that's R U, R prime U. See, if it's like this, right? R U R prime. That's enough. Okay, I have to only two more pieces. If it's like this, okay, I will take this case. If it's up, you have to just do 4 moves. Okay, R U2 R prime u prime. Okay, and you will get the case like this. Okay, do r u r prime. That's it. Okay, now I have the case like this. I turn towards left and I will match it with the center piece. That's it. Okay, we will move to the second layer, that's aligning the pieces here, right? To do this we have to apply an algorithm. Okay, first what you have to notice is that you have to see an edge piece which does not have yellow piece like this. See, it's green, it is not a suitable piece to align here. See, it is a suitable piece, right? It should come here. For this you have to apply an algorithm. If it should come here or here, okay, it should come here, right? For this you have to apply an algorithm. Just I will take the algorithm which is displaying on the screen. See, u prime l u l prime u f u prime and f prime. See, it has been aligned. Okay, let's go to the next here. Here we match with the center. If it should come here, right? We did this, it should come here. To do this you have to turn to the opposite. If orange is right here, if it should go here, it should turn to opposite. See, turn to your left and do that. R u prime r prime u prime f prime u and f. See, now we have done two. It's already been matched. 1 minute, I will take the case. We'll get a case like this. It will be flipped, right? For this you have to apply the same algorithm. It will come out. See, it has now come out. Now then match. Apply that algorithm. U r u prime r prime u prime f prime u back. Okay, now only one more left. For this you have to apply the same algorithm. Just notice the colors, you will be able to do it. Done, right? Now only few steps are left to align the last layer. Okay, to solve last layer you should make a cross or plus at the low to solve the last layer. Right, I will tell you the cases. First you will get a dot case, or you may get this case, or you may get this case, or you may get this case, right? If you get this, do the algorithm. Okay, the algorithm will flash on the screen. Okay, it's f r u r prime u prime f prime. See, you will get an inverted L. Okay, after this you have to apply the same algorithm to get a line. F r u r prime u prime f prime. See, you have got a line. Now face the line to horizontally and do the same algorithm once more. F r u r prime u prime f prime. You will get a place like this. After doing this you have to align the edge piece with the center pieces. Okay, after doing a plus on last layer you have to align all the edge piece with the center piece like this. Okay, to do this we have an algorithm. Okay, first we have to see which and all the pieces are matched. You have two match piece here, or you may get another case. I will show you that also. If you get this, apply another r u r prime u r u to r prime, you will get another case like this. See, like this too. You got like this and you will get like this. You should do an algorithm facing one at back and one at right. One should be at right and should be at left. R u r prime u r u to r prime. Okay, after doing that you should match with the centers to match all our match now. After matching all with the centers, we have to now arrange the corner pieces at its right place. Okay, so you have to identify. It has yellow, blue and red. Here also it has yellow, blue and red. It is the right piece. Okay, to do it's not. You have to arrange all the pieces. You have an algorithm. It's very simple and easy. Just R U prime L U R prime U prime and L. After doing this, you may get only one solve, or you may get like this two also. If you are not matched, do this once more. You will get the case. After doing this, keep the yellow at the bottom and apply on the formula, that is R U R prime U prime, also R U R prime U prime. And now this is, don't think about this, only think about this. R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. Arrange this. Now your cube has solved. If you understood it neatly, so please like, share and subscribe.